Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a yogurt maker by Cuisine. Stay tuned. Alright, so here we got our Euro Cuisine, a digital automatic yogurt maker. If you're like me and don't like to pay expensive for yogurt, why not do it at home? So I purchased this Cuisine digital yogurt maker. It does come with some cups. There is 7 cups in here. You've got your bottom, you've got your 2 tops, and then here's your digital controls. So let's go ahead and open up this box. This is by Euro Cuisine. And first off, we have the tops for the yogurt machine and the user manual. This basically tells you how to operate it. They do give a couple recipes to make your own yogurt. This does have a limited 3-year warranty. So there's your warranty card, your registration card. Alright, let's just go ahead and move this aside. This is your other top portion. The other piece that I just put aside was the top portion. This is the top, will cover your yogurt little containers. So this just sits up on top of it. This is hard plastic. So in this box right here, you get 7 of them. They are made of glass, so I would definitely recommend being careful on this because they will break. And the tops right here do have the dates. You can switch the dates, basically letting you know when you made your yogurt. I think yogurt's good for at least a couple weeks. So here is the date. You can switch it from the top. Just push these little things here at the top. It goes all the way from 1 to 30, 31. So you do get 7 of these glass containers. These are about 7 ounces. And then at the bottom, this is the main unit. It does got some good grips on there, so it won't be sliding off your counter. This is where you'll put your containers at to make your yogurt. Here is your digital display. You've got your power button, and you have your set button. So this doesn't go this way. You actually will have to turn it around. And it just clips on there. And then you'll just take your little containers. Make sure you take the lids off when you have it heated. And they just fit in here easily and snug. You might have to push it aside because you got this little lip here at the top. So there's all 7 of them. You just top it like this, and then you have the main top part, and this will go on top of the unit itself. Just sits on there like that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and make my own recipe, and then I'll show you how to start this unit. So you got the power button, and then you have the timer set button. I always set mine for 8 hours because 8 hours is basically the normal standard setting. So right here I've already made my recipe. I'm going to go ahead and set it for 8 hours. This button right here basically starts it. So you go over to the timer, which is the left side. I'm going to set it for 8 hours. Then you'll click the start button. Make sure to cover it with no tops on your jars. And then you just let it sit there for 8 hours. I use whole milk because it works better. If you use less than whole milk, it gets kind of runny. And it's more like a drink yogurt versus a regular yogurt. So this is what it looks like. I'm just going to wait for it to finish, and as you can see right here, it is finished. You can see all the water condensation on the side. That means it is completely done. So once you take these out, you can see the condensation. Take this off, it just slides right off. Then you will just take your tops, put it on there, put on the date that you had put that you've made it, and then you stick it in the refrigerator for about, I'd say about 8 to 10 hours. So this is what it looks like. This is the Euro Cuisine automatic yogurt maker. You can see how nice and thick this yogurt looks. So again, once you're done with it, you just stick it in the refrigerator for 8 to 10 hours. I usually let mine sit for overnight, so it's nice and fresh in the morning. So this is what it looks like. If you're interested in purchasing this Euro Cuisine, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that little notification button so you get notified every time I upload a video. You can also check me out at MarisReviewChannel.com. Thanks for watching.